In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam in your Canon Pixma G6020 printer. If we look at the printer display panel, it will show up the error code or sport code 5100 with a flashing orange light on the display panel. To fix the paper jam, close the paper output tray and lift this section up. Go to the rear side of the printer. Lift the rear paper tray up and then remove this section, and here we can see there are paper that is stuck here. Now remove the paper from here, lift the paper tray and take it out. Now gently, slowly push it backwards and take it out. Have a look inside if there is any more paper or not. Place this back. Then place this section. And lock it. Put the tray down. Press the power button once. This will switch off the printer. Press the power button again. Wait for the printer to start. So this way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for